that's getting ready to get married, getting ready to walk the aisle, and they need accessories. They need accessories. So here's the deal. I was at Hobby Lobby the other day, and they had these on sale, y'all. They had these on sale. And, you know, don't get me wrong. They're pretty, just like they are. They're pretty. They had the whole set, and I got them because they were on sale. But they have the ring bearer pillow, cute little ring bearer pillow, you know, with the little holder on the back, okay, and the little streamers here going down. Cute, right? As it is. And, of course, the sign-in book, you know, the sign-in book. And then they have the pin. Okay, and they've got some bling on it, and it's not bad. I mean, it's okay as stuff like this goes. But couldn't we do so much better, ladies? Don't you think we can do so much better than this? Let's take this pillow, for instance. Let's just start with the pillow. Then I am going to use the silver with the antique bronze appliques. Anyway, I am going to snip this off, and I am going to leave this the way it is, okay, but we are going to actually accentuate it a little bit more. I pulled some of my ribbons, thinking that would be really kind of a neat thing to put the satin over top, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to singe it on the ends. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just run this lighter right over that satin till I feel like a little ridge. And what that does is it seals it, keeps it from fraying. I'm going to take a little teeny tiny piece of twine. I love working with twine, even though this is elegant and, you know, you wouldn't think, oh, you should use twine, but it's going to get covered up, so like, who cares, right? It just holds so much better for me. I want this to kind of, and I made this a little long on each side simply because it will shrink when I cinch it in the middle. It's going to shrink a little bit. So I want this to sit upward like a bow, like like that. I want it to sit up a little bit. So I'm probably just going to put a little dab, a tiny dab of glue. Okay, so there's that. All right, now this is, of course, you got to keep this. Now you can, if you don't like what they have on here, replace it. These are to hold the rings, basically. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some E6000 to the back of it. Just a little bit of the E6000, or a lot of it, I guess I should say. I just make sure that this glue stick is in here properly, because it's not. All right, I'm just gonna go around the edge carefully. Already than it did with just that little piece of bling on it, does it not? It didn't take much, right? And put this on. Now there's a little 3M strip on the back, okay? Just take that off. But I'm gonna also use my hot glue. Okay. Look at this, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at the shimmer and shine. I mean, seriously. I love this. I think it's so pretty. Very glam. All right. I'm going to take this off. Do the other one. Maybe. Maybe. A little bling wrap. Should I do it in black? I think that would accentuate the, what do you call it? Yeah, I love it with antique bronze. That's pretty. Okay. I'm gonna say this is the front of this thing. So I'll start back here. A little dab of glue back here. Yeah. Oops. Slippery. Turn me loose. And I'm just going to go right around the edge. I like it better already. And I'm going to make this go straight across. That's what I'm going to do. Oh, the fan is blowing this thing. Hold on. Make this thing go straight across here. Just like this. On this side. Like that. Right at the edge, right where the other piece is, so that it's seamless. You don't see where one starts and the other one, it's seamless. It looks like it was meant to be. Okay. I'm gonna do this again. This. Gonna get cinched right in the middle, just like the other one. The only difference is it's not gonna be poofy. Well, I guess it could be. I guess it could be a little bit. We could let it poof a little bit. We got plenty here, right? We got plenty. Right. Just give it a little bit. Not too much. Okay. All right. Will that do? All right, let's try this. It's already got the E6000 on it, so I'm just gonna put this on. Just like that. And then, now I can tell where this piece is gonna have to go and where it's going to need to get cut. It's right, you know, it's got to be straight across, just a little poof on each side because you kind of want it to match, right? A little poof right here. I'm going to cut it straight across and heat seal it. I call heat sealing the ends. Not too much there. Heat seal the ends. A little poof. Yep. Yes. Okay. I like this one. You need a little more glam, right? Because why not? Because you can. Let's do it. Right? Isn't that gorgeous now? Look at all that bling. I love it. I love it now. All right, and lastly, but not leastly, right? The, this. So this. Let's put this one on. Put that on there. Wasn't invited to the party now. Did its magic. We are done. Zip that baby under there. Let's get some of this pretty store. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna let it hang like I did on the pillow. I think that's pretty. Just cut a big piece of it. Okay, you know. And we'll poof it. There. Put a little poof. How much of a poof? How much? Put it right here. And wait. Okay. A poof. That's a baby poof. And I'm going to trim that, and then I'm going to heat seal it. All right, of this piece. Remember the big one? I like it. Because it kind of reminds me of a bridal bouquet. I think it's so pretty. And it's pearl. Okay, we're going to put some E6000. Hat glue. Already this is gorgeous. Like this, right? Look at that. Stunning. I love this. Take this 3M off. Yeah. Put some hot glue in the middle. And right kitty corner to that corner. Now all three of the pieces match, okay? Let me present to you this pretty little trio that we have completely overhauled, and you can't tell me that this doesn't look better than what it started as, right? Isn't that stunning? I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and grab our free download, 50 Ways to Bling Out Your Wedding. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.